Hi, it's Fies Tarot. Hello, Scorpio placements. Yo, okay, so love reading pagdating sa person na iniisip mo. Titingnan natin yung outcome, okay, ng situation ninyo ngayon. Ngayong September, okay? So, yeah, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayong biging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay? So, Scorpio. Yeah, kung may mga tanong pagdating sa private reading, sa mga evil eye items natin, yeah, for protection, sa ating tawag dyan, love bracelet, sa ating granter necklace, and doon sa ating new item for cleansing. So yeah, just message me, okay? And yeah, if you're interested na magpa-reading kay Perception of Light, message lang po siya sa kanya pong FB page. And sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po tayo magme-message, okay? And yeah, again, don't forget to follow, okay, ang kanilang mga FB pages. So, let's start, Scorpio. Who is this person you're dealing with? Anong meron? Anong meron sa kanya? Scorpio. Okay, the Ten of Pentacles in reverse. Some of them may issue sa paghahawak ng pera. Okay? Some of them pwedeng walang pera. Some of you may chance na hindi naging maganda yung connection na naibigay sa'yo nitong taong to. Pwedeng iba sa inyo, meron kayong anak nito. Okay? Some of them may family issue. Ang dami. Ten of Pentacles in reversed. Yeah, the Nine of Pentacles in reversed. What? Nakakakuha ko dito ha. Sabihin natin may energy ng someone who is a breadwinner. Okay? A breadwinner. Something like, yeah, ang dami niyang responsibilities like that. Okay? This person wants to commit though. Yeah. Pero napakadami nga lang niya na parang inuuna sa ngayon. Okay? Someone's option maybe is open nga. Okay? Or marami siyang pinagkukumitan in general. Marami siyang responsibilities in general. Okay? Pwedeng earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Yeah. Pinaka-specific dito, Scorpio, ha? May chance na siguro isa lang ang makaka-resonate. Some of you, meron silang family issue. Sarili niyong family. Pwedeng may asawa to. Pero committed siya sa'yo. Okay? Committed siya sa'yo. Okay. Let's see. Anong meron sa sitwasyon? Hindi yun para sa lahat, ha. Sabi ko nga, baka nga isa lang eh. O baka wala. Sana wala, no? Okay. Okay. Tingnan natin. Anong sitwasyon yun itong taong to, Scorpio? The Page of Cups in reversed. The Five of Swords. Yeah, okay. So, there's this confusion because someone is, sabihin natin, hindi nagiging open pagdating sa emosyon. They can't express their true emotion, their true intentions pagdating sa'yo. So, ang nakukuha ko dito is parang feeling mo mixed emotions, mixed signals ang naibibigay. Like that. Yeah, the Two of Pentacles. Okay? Feeling mo para kang option sa taong to, or just a spare maybe. Yeah, the Lovers in reversed. They're not consistent. Okay? Yung energy nila pagdating sa'yo, they're not consistent. Giving you conflict or maybe a lot of pag-iisip, mga ganyan. Okay? Some of them, they're younger. They are younger. Or maybe they don't know how to express their emotions. May conflict kasi. May chance na ganun. Okay? So, ano bang meron sa past? Mga Scorpio, anong meron sa past? The Knight of Pentacles in reversed. This is a slow to no action na sitwasyon. Okay? What's this? Knight of Pentacles in reversed. The Queen of Wands. Someone is too busy. Okay. Yeah, we have here justice. Some of you, meron nga ditong something like legal issue, legal matter. What's this Queen of Wands? What is this Queen of Wands? The King of Swords. Hindi mo to, or sabihin natin sa past, walang nakakapag-demand. Okay? Walang nakakapag-demand, walang nakakapagsabi kung ano ang kailangan gawin. Parang walang right, no, na mag-demand. Pero nandun yung pag-intindi. Okay? So, kaya walang nangyaring ganap. Kasi kailangan ko tong gawin. Parang kailangan ko muna tong gawin. Okay, sige, gawin mo muna yan. Parang ganyan. I won't demand. Hindi ako magde-demand like that. Iintindihin ko lang kung anong meron sa sitwasyon natin. I don't know why, ha? Okay, so I think meron lang talagang pinapriority itong taong to. So, it's like some of you is just umiintindi na lang sa situation. And, yeah. Malawak lang ang pag-intindi. Okay. Because yeah, you like this person or maybe they like you. Okay. Ano bang emosyon nito ngayon sa'yo, Scorpio? Anong emosyon niya? Kasi you're confused eh. Pagdating sa emosyon niya, maybe. So, let's see. Ano ba ang emosyon nito talaga sa'yo? The Four of Swords. Some of you, you're in a break. Okay? Some of you. The High Priestess. Emotion. I think itong taong to, ang pinapaandar nito sa ngayon is intellect or utak. Okay? Yeah, the Page of Swords. Some of you may chance na pwedeng hindi naman sarado pagdating sa communication. Okay? Pero pagdating sa emosyon, doon parang nadedehado or doon nagkakaroon ng conflict. Yeah, magkausap kami. Yeah, hindi naman kami naka-block sa isa't isa or whatsoever. Open naman yung line of communication namin pareho. Okay, pero para saan or what? Like, may patutunguhan ba to? Parang ganun. Okay? Yeah. Some of you, they're in their head. Iniisip ka, kung hindi kayo mag-uusap nitong taong to, iniisip ka niya madalas. Okay? They're in their head. Some of you, nandito yung inaaral niya lang yung sitwasyon. Okay? Matalino tong taong to sa tingin ko. Yeah, they are. Matalino siya. I think. Okay? Hindi ito yung taong gagawa ng isang hakbang na parang pabara-bara lang. Hindi siya ganun. Okay? So, ano ba ang next action niya? Next action for you, Scorpio. Next action niya, the Nine of Swords in reverse. And the Nine of Cups in reverse. I have angel number for you, 999. Okay? So this person won't go anywhere. Okay? They won't go anywhere. Nandyan pa rin sila. Hindi niya nahahayaan na totally may mawala, or sabihin nating may mag-end sa inyo totally. So that is why, okay, hinahayaan nila na open yung line of communication. Okay? Whether may breakup man na nangyari, or sabihin natin hindi maganda sa sitwasyon, yeah, they will not block you. Okay? Yeah. Ayaw nito na talagang mapapalayo sa'yo. Ayaw nila yun. Hanggat maaari, nandyan sila, iniintindi ka lang din kasi alam nila kung ano ba yung naidudulot nila din sa'yo. Okay? This is, yeah, see the sun. The Seven of Pentacles. I think this person is thinking, sabihin nating pangmatagalan okay? Yung agad, yung resulta agad, ang parang tinitingnan nito. So, kung ano man ang ginagawa niya, nakadepende yun sa pwedeng nakikita niyang mangyayari in the future. Wow! Okay? Ganun siya. So, lahat ng ginagawa niya ngayon, pwedeng inaaral niya, kasi alam niya kung anong pwedeng mangyari in the future. Okay, sabi ko nga sa inyo, hindi ito gagawa ng isang hakbang ng pabara-bara lang. Okay? This person wants you. Yeah. Some of you, talagang may hinihintay lang tong something, kung ano man, I don't know. Okay? Hindi sila papaka-stress. Okay? Hindi sila mag-overthink dito. No, hindi nila pipiliin yun na mag-overthink or kung ano man. Dahil alam nila ang ginagawa nila. Scorpio, this is deep. This is deep. Lawakan po ninyo yung inyong pag-unawa dito. Okay? Yeah. Kasi energy lang to. So, kanya-kanya naman yung situation. Okay? Yeah. You're trying na magkaroon talaga ng totally, sabihin nating, ending. Okay. Outcome for Scorpio ngayong September. Outcome ninyo. Yeah, the Chariot in reverse. Yeah. Walang paglayo ako nakukuha dito. Wala. And the Five of Wands. Parang mas pinipili lang talaga ng taong tong nang wala munang mangyari or walang gawin dahil alam niyang mas ikabubuti yun. Okay? Alam nila kung anong ginagawa nila. Yeah, the Seven of Cups in reverse. Ikaw lang nakukuha ko na energy na gusto niya. Uunahin lang niya kung ano man mga prioridad niya sa ngayon. And then, sa right timing, makakapag-desisyon na siya. So, it's up to you, Scorpio. If you're willing to wait. Okay? Kasi some of you talagang gulong-gulo na. Whether, kailangan ko bang magstay dito? Parang wala naman siyang pakialam sa akin. Hindi ko man makuha yung emosyon or intention ng taong to. Like that. This is specific. This is like a personal reading, no? Na kung sino man sa inyo. Yeah, so yung advice o yung outcome na nakita ko, yung kwentong to, I don't know kung ilan lang sa inyo ang pwedeng makagets or makaresonate. Okay? Matalino tong taong to, Scorpio, sa totoo lang. Hindi ito gagawa ng no, hindi to tatalon una ulo. Hindi siya ganon. Okay. Inaral niya to. Kung ano man ang ipinapakita at pinaparamdam niya sa'yo, way niya yun. Okay? Alam niya kung anong pwedeng mangyari. Wow. So maybe, may chance na kilala ka na ng taong to or kilala mo na siya. Okay? Anyway, hindi ito lalayo. Hindi niya hayaang may mangyaring ending sa inyo totally. Okay? So, mapapansin mo yon. Isang senyales, kahit break na kayo, hindi ka pa rin ito ibablock or hindi ka pa rin ito lalayuan. Kahit hindi consistent yung pakikipag-usap niya. Okay? Pero, alam nyo naman kung anong storya nyo. Okay? So, wag nyo i-claim na, ay, baka nga, pero meron namang ganito yung person mo. May ganito naman. Okay? Anyway. So, wala, matalino tong taong to. Alam niya ang ginagawa niya. Yun lang ang nakikita. Okay? So, Scorpio, let's see. All signs are through Pisces. Okay. Scorpio. Aries through Pisces. Okay. Aries, they're stalking you. Okay? They're watching you like a hawk. They're watching you. Okay? Silently. Okay. Taurus, they want commitment. They want to take the situation or the relationship into the next level. Okay? Itong si Taurus. Gemini, they're trying na hindi magkaroon ng separation dahil takot sila sa separation. Ayaw nila nun. You're avoiding. Okay, some of you, may chance rito na takot siyang maging totoo. I don't know why. Okay, trying to avoid lang much bigger issue, I think. Cancer, they're being impatient. Pero yeah, someone is like feeling nila ginajaggle mo sila or maybe vice versa or flip. Okay? Leo. So, I think meron itong gagawin something like hints. Okay? Para makapagsimula muli. Like that. Yeah, 3 of Cups. Energy of reconciliation. Okay. Virgo. May pagre-reject na ginagawa si Virgo pagdating sa mga pagbabago. Okay? Libra. They like you. They love you. They love you. Okay? Scorpio. A decision. Okay? Pero still sabihin natin parang isip pa rin ng isip. Okay? Like itong si Scorpio is they're in their head. Alam naman nila yung gagawin nila pero may doubt pa rin. Something like, okay, iisipin ko pa rin ito. Kung ano man yan. Tama kaya yung ginawa kong decision like that? Or gagawin kong decision? Mga ganyan. Okay? So, Sagittarius. Feeling intimidated. Yeah, they feel intimidated. Capricorn, they're obsessed. They're stalking you. Some of them, yeah, they find you physically attractive, like they're thinking of you sexually. Okay. Okay. Aquarius, some of them, they're guarding, or maybe they're guarding up something, like kasi meron tong parang pinoprotektahan na connection, or maybe meron siyang itinatago something. Okay. Pisces, okay, they want commitment. So now andyan yung regrets. I don't know why. So maybe if they're not stepping up sa sitwasyon, now they're regretting it. Okay? So there, yun ang aking nakikita for you, Scorpio. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.